Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your carrier supports Wi-Fi calling and that your plan allows it. That matters because this service must be authorized on the network side. Next, enable Wi-Fi and connect to a reliable router with decent upload speed, since voice travels over your internet. Make sure your phone's OS and carrier settings are updated so the feature appears. Once done, open cellular settings and locate Wi-Fi calling. We'll toggle it on in the next step and register your emergency address. Now you enable Wi-Fi calling in your phone. On iOS, go to Cellular, toggle Wi-Fi calling. On Android, check Connections or Network Settings and switch it on. You'll be prompted to enter an emergency address. Enter a precise, physical address because 911 routing uses it. Once registered, restart the phone to ensure the carrier recognizes the change. Then place a quick test call to a friend or voicemail to verify audio quality. And that call's route over Wi-Fi. Finish by confirming active calls display a Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi calling icon, which proves voice is routed correctly. If you run into problems, reboot the router, toggle airplane mode on and off, and re-enable Wi-Fi calling. This forces reauthentication with the carrier. Make sure your router's firewall or parental controls aren't blocking SIP/VoIP ports. If registration fails or emergency address routing is incorrect after these steps, contact your carrier's support so they can refresh your provisioning. They can resolve back-end issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.